Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 17 of the Newton Mudroom project. Well, today was a bit of a milestone day. We got a chance to finally finish all of our doors and all of our exterior. So we've got the cedar shingles in and complete, minus some paint, but that's going to happen in a bit of a warmer day. We've got our door here. This is going to be our shed door. Just a really simple latch lock. Boom. But we're going to have to worry about getting locked in there because, of course, we've got that second door in the mudroom. So, now you get a picture of what the shed's going to be. So, we certainly could have taken the entire garage and turned it into a mudroom. But what we're trying to really do here is optimize storage. And so in order to do that, not everything you need wants to be stored in a mudroom. Skis, lawnmowers, snowmobiles. I'm not saying they have a snowmobile, but if they did, they wouldn't want to store that in the mudroom. So we kept this side over here as a bit of a shed. And we've put some little niceties in here, like a loft, and we've just kind of given them, and it seems a bit narrow, and it is, but in terms of having to heat it, in terms of just, this is where you can kind of pretty much throw your shovels, you can throw all the stuff that you wouldn't want to normally see in a mudroom. So you gotta picture this as being a really big closet, but it's an outside closet. So that's why we got the door here, because you can access it through the mudroom. And then likewise, you can access it through the front door. The shed door, that is. So, that's where we're at today. This was a Friday, so it's an extra day here. We're just trying to get everything all buttoned up so that we can do our rough inspection next week. And as I mentioned the other day, in order to do that, we had to have our complete membrane all sealed up. So that's why we got this dummy door here, just sitting in for our 78 by 32 door, which is an odd size, so it's taking a little bit longer to come in. But we're going to be able to drywall and do everything we need to do in order to get that framed up. So that was it. This is the end of day 17, and now we're completely done on the outside. Aside from a little bit of trim around the window and then around the door when it eventually gets here, that's it. So now we can completely focus on the inside. And something that came in yesterday, which I didn't show you, was we got our tiles here. And these are hexagonal tiles. So 6 sides for all those who paid attention in science class. So these are what's going to go on the mudroom side of things. And they're a really nice tile. In order to do a hexagonal pattern, it's actually twice as many cuts because you can't square it off against the wall. You've got to cut each one in half and then lay and then kind of go along and then zipper it in. So that's going to be a little exciting. I'm really interested in how that's going to come out, particularly with the radiant floor going in. So that's all things to look for next week after we get our rough inspection done. So thanks for checking us out. This is day 17, and yeah, we'll see you on day 18. Have a great weekend.